Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 D22 Nissan Navara STR dual cab ute, stock reference number 5450. This shape runs from the first month 2007 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard with TJM's snorkel, left power door mirror, chrome, does have a little scuff as you can see in the image. Left front door, 3 small dents and light wobbles. Left rear door, 3 small dents and light wobbles. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted sports bar with all bolts and brackets. Left hand tail light. Tailgate has 4 small dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, twin plug at the bottom type. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket Pioneer head unit, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.